Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in my previous video that I just uploaded, I have 4 more DESTASH lots available. These are all going to be grab boxes, and I will share with you what that entails in just a moment. But as you guys know, for my DESTASHes, they are US only, PayPal only, through friends and family. If you are interested in any of these grab boxes, please go ahead and email me. All the information will be down below in the description box, as well as which ones are still remaining and which ones have been sold. So with that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. I don't know if I can get this on camera, but can't get the correct angle. But this is a medium flat rate box, and these are full of product. Each one is going to be slightly different because I don't have duplicates of everything, but they will contain some or all of these things. They have wood veneers, flat back embellishments, distress or distress oxide ink pads, stickers, alpha stickers, stamp sets. Some are clear, some are photopolymer, dies, die sets, 6x6 paper pads, 12x12 collection kits. There's a large assortment of paper straws, wood stamps, embossing folders, chipboard stickers, Tim Holtz embellishments, Paper Studio embellishments, glittered butterflies, Prima flowers, bling stickers, assorted charms, and lots of other things. So I'm going to go ahead and pull some of the items out. These have already all been packaged up. So basically they're grab boxes, but they're more like mystery boxes, if you will. Each one of these will be shipped out in a medium flat rate box. And there is probably, I'm guesstimating, about at least $150 to $200 worth of product in here. And each one of these boxes will be $45 shipped. So that is an amazing deal for the items that you're getting. I wanted to make it as affordable as possible. So let me just pull out some of the items. Most of the items are brand new. They've never been used or opened. If they have been, which are very few in any of the packages, it's like 1 or 2 little pieces that I've used. So there is much more that's still left in the box. I just wanted to quickly share with you guys. So I'm including die sets, sorry for the glare, some rhinestones. Here are some older dies. Here are the wood veneer pieces. Embossing folder, Tim Holtz. These are facets. You can make charms with these. Here are some brads for Valentine's Day, some puffy stickers for Valentine's Day, Prima flowers. So there is 1 flower missing, but 9 of these are remaining. That's what I mean about anything that's used. Here are 6 sticker sheets by My Mind's Eye, a huge assortment of paper straws. I condensed my paper straws as well because I know in my lifetime I will never use all of those. Some letter embellishments, some assorted flat back pearls in pink and blue and ivory, some other little flat back embellishments. Here are some assorted charms for different themes, some woodblock stamps, brand new distress oxide ink pad. So this is what I mean about photopolymer, clear stamps. These are all brand new, never been used. A butterfly embellishment, I only used 1. 6x6 paper pads, these are brand new. I did use some of this one by Sherry Baldy. And then this is a 12x12 collection kit that will be included as well. So these range from just everything that I mentioned before I showed you these items. It is a great value for only $45 shipped. And of course you will get it really quickly because they are coming priority. It's great to build up your stash and used for a multitude of crafting projects. So, like I said, this is just a little snippet of what's in one of the boxes. The other 3, I have 4 total that are available. So they will be basically a mystery box. But you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, I take care of my items. A lot of these items have been my hoard vault items that I'm finally parting with. So if you are interested in any of these grab boxes, please go ahead and email me. It will be down in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will be back really soon with another crafty video. Bye everyone.